Yeah, man, you heard me. We got Sid out here. My boy over here, my boy right here, man. He finna install them 392 springs, man.
Who that is?
That's the YouTube.
Oh, that's the YouTube?
Look at that, man. We got the OEM, motherfucker, 392 springs finna go on a 345 lag car. Yeah. Gotta get rid of these wheels, and then he gonna be in the game. You hear me? This that motherfucker, man. Y'all see this bitch? This bitch leaning in the front and squatting in the back. This how them demon springs look on a 392. I mean on a Charger, I mean. Cause I got demon springs, but my shit don't look like that. Like how this bitch sit up in the front. That shit don't look like that. So that's why I'm trying to give me a Charger Hellcat, man. Yeah, look at him getting freaky over there. Yeah. This bitch so hard.
Oh, you got a nail? Man, you
I think that's a razor.
Oh, you can go.
Oh, you got a nail?
I think that's a razor.
He can pinch that bitch.
Nigga,
That's why my shit keep leaking.
Take it over there.
Nigga, what the fuck is?
Make friends.
I'm telling you, I think that's a razor.
I don't know what that is, but that's some big metal shit.
You do? Let me see the real.
You know how life goes, bro.
That's a razor.
Life is just life with life.
Yeah, man.
Your spring do sit a little in the bag. Look. Just a tad bit though. And then look the
These are
groove.
392 springs?
Yeah. Look at the spacing in them bitches.
Oh, my shit's still low?
Look at this.
No.
No.
Oh,
This yours right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
That shit crazy, boy.
What? You gonna see the difference? Show them. Tell them boys.
Fuck it, let's get it.
And I sell them bitches, and I say them 392 springs on Facebook Marketplace. The moment they come pull up and buy them bitches, I'll block them.
Fuck all that.
Don't hit this bitch.
Niggas always, look, everywhere you go, you got your YouTube homeboy. Nigga don't ask, hey bro, you don't mind if I record
No,
you?
fuck
Nigga
that.
be like,
I already got my permission
like,
already.
hey bro, you the police? Nah, this YouTube, my brother.
He told
To the fucking vacuum.
He used to put that camera in our face acting like he charged them white.
Man, you flashed out. Bang.
What is that?
I go to the vacuum.
No, son. Look,
What you did, son?
Authentic Bennett, my first time meeting that boy.
He put the camera in your face.
That boy, how about to come? Me and G meet that boy to get that boy some vinyl.
Uh-huh.
I
He had the
get the
camera.
vinyl for his car, but how about the car? That's when nigga had the big blue truck.
He,
That boy, how about this bitch that boy see?
let me see what's in there.
What's up, man?
With the camera? What you?
I said, oh.
Oh, he a police. Hey, come on, son, move, son. Let me see what.
Oh, that gotta go on YouTube, dude.
Doogie, let that go on YouTube. Come on, man.
Look.
Oh, yeah. He getting strong in the bed. That's that sideways sex. That's when you're lazy. You just fuck. That's that sideways sex. This that bitch right here, man. This bitch got a real carbon fiber trunk. 22-inch rims on this bitch. Yeah, spent a little money on this motherfucker. This the fastest 6 gen out here.
Vinyl wrap, 10K.
10K. Forged carbon. You can't find that shit nowhere.
That's only for people that's raised.
That bitch said, dude, this shit fast as fuck. Jeff has been just not taking the wheel off.
I told C he need to make some stickers that be like built by C.
Yeah,
Built by
go get with Sumo.
built by TMSC.
Whatever I want, I'm just hungry.
Man, I'm trying to see that motherfucker hit a pool, boy. That bitch leaning already.
What? Talking about dog.
That bitch leaning, boy. Yeah. I know. I'm trying to see how that bitch look dead hook. Why that bitch gonna lean so hard? Your heart gonna be in your ass.
Huh?
Heart gonna be in your ass.
When y'all post the back of this bitch, put drop it like this, dog.
Shorts and white. What's up, bro? You the dude that tried to sell the switch the other day? The switch from that Glock.
Yeah, my grandma had told me to get one off the tree.
That bit loud. That bit loud too.
Man, that bitch.
On some smooth shit. Come on, man, let's do the street. Let's do that street tie shooter. I got the money on you.
All right, bet. Who we
You
doing?
gonna win that bitch. I'm telling you, I know you gonna win that
Who we
bitch.
doing it with?
Anybody, any stock car, any
Don't do it.
headers.
Cause everybody gonna swear to God, I'm
I'm
tuned.
just
People
trying to
just
take
gonna
out the
think
charger
that.
and RT out the back of my car, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
They be like, this the tune, bro.
Man, my dog said we finna do it right now.
Oh, y'all finna do it right now?
Where you finna go?
I thought we were gonna take the charger and the RT thing off the back of my car, bro. It's finna get real. It's finna get
You
real
need a
official.
heat gun and
You don't
everything.
even need no heat gun. You can do that shit with a credit card. I know.
I told him that.
You just need.
Bro, he think I'm
I think
joking.
he had the shit in his hand.
It is funny, man. Start. Spray that shit, Mo. Get that shit right. Get that shit right. Yeah.
The elbow grease, you heard me?
That is the elbow grease. Hold on, let me turn the flash
elbow
on.
grease.
Mom's
We got
calling.
the. Wait, where you H at, nigga?
Yeah, fucking right. Yeah.
Damn, bitch. Get the flash on my face.
What a catfish is?
For catfish.
Catfish
Talk to me the right way.
from Baton Rouge Seafood.
Oh, that's right down the road. You need a bubba wubble. We ain't gonna get one of them in a little
I
minute.
know since Mike is big ass. You remember we had walk?
Yeah, his booty was jiggling. Ass was jiggling.
They be like a police car.
Ass was out that
You
ass.
take this out?
Ass out that grass.
Big, come here, let me get
That shit came out.
That shit came out real good.
Put that Ross down and stick out.
Hey, come on, Chimo. We gotta take care of something.
Look that shit out, man.
That be all.
Do your
Damn.
homework on that goof off, nigga.
Man, look.
Man, I'm trying
Y'all
to-
come to my dog if y'all need anything off y'all car that y'all feel like can't come off that motherfucker. Cause you see him and them, he gonna make it work. You hear me?
Watch your toes, watch your toes.
Watch that little dick down there. Watch that little dick.
It fell off.
Watch the little dick.
If that bitch smooth, it's off. But if it's still like,
Y'all ran about that lit ass shit.
shit, you'll see it when it's dirty.
Fuck that. Hey, bro. I like this car right here, bro. I want it.
Steal it. Sign that bitch in my name, in your name, then.
Bet. Let's do it.
Steal it. Let me see the back.
We got them white motherfuckers out, man. This Snow Patrol. Snow Patrol coming through.
I went to the front.
Yeah,
Put on that
yeah.
bitch.
Fuck my dog, man. Getting the spring 392 springs on the RT Charger, man.
Wait, do your homework on that bitch.
Yeah,
Do your
man.
homework on the last call.
Homework on these fucking.
Oh yeah, he stamped.
Do your homework on the
He
last call,
stamped. He
bitch.
stamped. He stamped. He stamped.
And I ordered my intake.
Ooh, and he got a leg. That boy got a leg maker.
Is it?
Oh damn! Let me take this out and put it on mine.
Why I say last call on it? Cause the last V8 is the 2023.
Swear to God.
For real? Real talk? Oh, this bitch special.
They coming with that fucking twin turbo V6.
Oh, he said, ooh.
You guys with this bitch?
Man, I don't know.
Oh, you bullshitting? Cause we could.
I told you I'm finna get that intake and then I'm finna get them headers and I'm gonna call it a day.
Oh, all right. You getting headers? You know you gonna have to get a tune.
You ain't gonna have no driver.
Bitch, I'm gonna have to get them. Nope.
Oh, all right,
So
then.
you don't care if you
You hear me?
Huh? Stage 1 tune. Yeah, get that bit right. Get that bit right, shit.
Nah, I'm cutting my gas.
There you right. Yeah, there you go.
They can't prove it.
I'm getting my mid muzzles cut. Yeah.
Mhm.
What the resonators make it sound like?
They just make it a little bit louder.
Bitch, you told me it was gonna chop like yours.
Bitch, my car don't chop. Let me show you how my car sound. Man, look, yeah, y'all see them brakes? Y'all see them brakes? Yeah, come fuck with me with them brakes. Yeah, y'all see them brakes? Yeah, I'm painting them bitches with the Bribbo sticker. Yeah, come fuck with me on the brakes.
I really just wanna make my shit loud.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all see the brakes? Mm-hmm. That was his big head ass on.
I'm tired of playing with you. You ever just want
Hey, move back, nigga, move back.
I can't see. Don't hit me.
I ain't gonna hit you. I might slip you. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, man, this is the finished goddamn product, man. Yeah, man, the motherfucker sitting low to the ground. Now, y'all see that wheel gap. It's sitting high in the back a little bit because it's them tires. But he need to get the motherfucking 392 Scatpack tires. Mm-hmm. Hey, whatever they got in that bitch smell good.
That's GB boiler.
But look, y'all can see like how that bitch suck.
Yeah, but look how
Look,
much space I got, man. I got this much space.
Look, come right here, son. Like you can see them bitches sucked in now. Look, come right here, stand right here where I'm at. You see how them bitches? See how them bitches is sucked in?
Oh man, I need to go. They got such thing as 285.
Yeah, but it's your rim.
Yeah.
It's not your tire. Shit, man. If y'all got a
Nigga told
345,
me I got a 9.
if y'all got a 345, y'all go put some 392 springs on it, bro. Y'all see the finish. You know what I'm
My
saying?
car dirty nigga to put all his hand on top of my shit.
Yep, his car dirty and shit.
Don't worry about it. just
But
let me-
yeah, y'all, man, look, man, that's the end of the video. That's the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. And let me know what kind of videos y'all would like. What you say, Dad? What you say?
Oh, bitch, first of all, subscribe to my YouTube, Just D, you hear me? Coming soon. And yeah, you hear me? More shit coming to the car, and we out. Fuck.